All right. And hi, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus, and we have Alvin with us today. And we just closed on their property yesterday. So, Alvin, I just have a couple of questions. Tell us about your situation. What made you decide to sell the property?
It belonged to my wife and brother-in-law, and it was time to get rid of it.
Gotcha. And how did you find us? What was your experience working with our company, with me, Sell House Columbus?
You guys called, and that was how I knew about you.
hmm All right.
So,
Mhm. All right, thank you. And what would you say to homeowners out there who's looking to sell their property for cash quickly?
well, if you want to get rid of it quickly, I think it's a good idea.
hmm
Um, you know, but you guys need to be a little bit more specific about your rules and stuff
hmm
to start with. So, like I said, I thought we had more time to get out of the house.
hmm All right, no worries. And again, I totally understand, Alvin, and it was a pleasure working with you. And again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. And if you are looking to sell your house for cash and close quickly, call us at 614-300-5151 or find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com. All right, see you on the next video. Thank you, Alvin.